OnPassive is a warrior, fighting for the homeless and the hungry. Nothing that has ever been designed by any human has been designed better than Mr. Mufareh's OnPassive to combat homelessness and hunger. OnPassive is built to help relieve some of the despair and suffering of homeless people and hungry people. This is a plague that has not been addressed until now. Finally, a giant corporation, an IT company, has the heart to help those poor souls out of their misery. Being able to use some of OnPassive's resources will be a welcome change. Almost every country on this earth has a problem with homeless and hungry people living on the streets. In those countries, the people are being ignored or given token recognition by those countries. Ignoring the problem will not make the problem better. It makes it worse. OnPassive's designer Mr. Mufareh and his family are pained by all this misery. His goal in life was to create a business that could help people who needed something that could change their lives for the better. The profit motive has never been something that moved Mr. Mufareh to create OnPassive. He wanted to reach the masses of humanity that needed someone or something to help them. He knew that he could not do this colossal job by himself. He needed partners to help him out. He designed a business model that would attract great people, loving people and caring people to help him. He did that by creating a position in OnPassive called the Founder's Position. The Founder's Position in OnPassive is a very influential and powerful place to be. The way OnPassive was designed was to take care of his business partners first. When that has been accomplished, his business partners would then be able to get all their needs taken care of. Then the founders can shift the attention to help others who are homeless and hungry in their own countries. Over 667,000 founders, spread out in over 212 countries. OnPassive is registered in those countries. Who better knows what is going on in those countries than the founders who live in those countries? Now OnPassive has a huge army of warriors to help fight homelessness and hunger. Thank you Mr. Mufareh and family for caring for the homeless and the hungry. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.